Hello everyone. I wanted to go over our packet with you, so I chose one of the weeks. So this is our first week, the 13th through the 17th. I know the packet seemed pretty thick, but there is a lot of information in there. On the front, you should see our newsletter, which also had important information and what I expect. But just know that we are completely understanding. If you do not get to something, it's completely understandable. Each day, Monday through Friday, we have a section for math, reading, writing. Social studies is only Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And then we have social emotional learning, which you're going to do over the next 3 weeks. So it doesn't have to be done the first week or the second week or even the third week. It is optional. So on Monday, you will go on iReady, if you can, for 15 minutes. Practice your rocket math. And then if you got your workbooks, do workbook pages 527 and 528, numbers 1 through 7. For reading, it is in the packet, so you look through your packet on Monday. On Monday, we have rocket math, like we said. Then we have our reading. So this is asking and answering questions about stories. They will read. They can see what a setting is, an event is. They will read our story. And ask and wonder questions about this. So this first one is close reading. What questions do you have? Underline the sentences that tell important details. So all they're doing is looking for important details in our story. Then we have writing, prompt number 1. So prompt number 1 is, who is the funniest person in your family and why? Our goal for these writings is just for them to get some writing in every single day. Our next one, we have social studies. Our first social studies, we're just going to do a Michigan word search because our focus of 3rd grade is the history of Michigan. So we have words like apple blossoms, automobiles, Detroit, Robin, Sleeping Bear, Traverse City. Some of these things they have heard of before. Our next page, we have our Build Your Own Robot Challenge, which is our social emotional optional challenge. Then we have Tuesday. Tuesday is the same thing. We get on iReady for 15 minutes, do rocket math, S and T. We have then you do the workbook pages, 529 to 530, numbers 1 through 8. And then we have grammar review. So the kids know what a noun is, a person, place, or thing. If they are confused or forget, it says it right up top, gives them explanation. They do 1 through 8 and the back. The same is true for plural nouns. They do the front and then the back. And then we have another writing prompt. Wednesday is the same thing, except we have social studies again. We have our rocket math, our reading. Don't forget about our page numbers in our book. Another writing prompt. And we're learning about Michigan legends. So they'll just read through these legends and think about all the different legends that they've heard of before. The same goes for Thursday. Friday, it all looks the same. At the end of the week, I would like you to send me a picture of your check boxes checked off of what you have gotten through. So if you didn't get through something, that is okay. It is understandable. This will be difficult. Most of this stuff this first week is review, so the kids should be able to do it. And then I also want them to send me a picture if they liked writing about, if you had to choose between 1,000,000 ice cream cones and 1,000,000 chocolate bars, what would you choose? If they pick this for their favorite writing, they're going to send me a picture of what they wrote. And then maybe something they were confused on. Maybe they were confused on rocket math letter U. That is when they'd send me a picture of that, or you would send me a picture of that, and they would tell me why. And that is our packet.